It is a common experience for those with nearsightedness to feel that their glasses make their eyes appear smaller, an effect caused by the way lenses bend light inward. Factors such as a higher prescription, thick lenses, large frames, and lens material can amplify this effect. To minimize this, you can opt for high-index lenses, which are thinner, or aspheric lenses, which reduce optical distortion. Choosing smaller frames can also help reduce distortion, and some professionals suggest clear frames to minimize visual interruption. Makeup techniques such as using lighter eyeshadow, mascara, and eyeliner can enhance eye size, as can simply curling your eyelashes. If glasses remain a concern, switching to contact lenses is a viable alternative, but it is important to remember that glasses are a helpful tool, and any feelings of self-consciousness should not prevent you from finding a style you like or consulting with your optometrist about options.